Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. So we have started a new lesson, that is your understanding Windows. Okay. So last class we have talked about understanding Windows, and today also we are going to talk about Windows. So let's start with our start button, which is going to start computer. So the start menu gives you quick access to document. This is your start button. This part is your start button. Okay, this part is your start button, and this is used to start your document. Now let me give you one tip. When you want to start a start button from keyboard, then there is a option. See, on the keyboard you have seen one Windows icon. Okay, Windows icon ऑल्ट के बगल में रहता है. ओके, जनरली दिस इज योर ऑल्ट के ये विंडोज आइकन का कीबोर्ड पर साइन ढूंढना. ओके, क्लिक हियर, you can start your start button. See, I am going to click on my Windows. What will happen? My start button will open. Okay, again I am going to press it, so it will off. So directly opening the start button, you can click on Windows button from keyboard. So start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows button on the keyboard. Now selecting and deselecting icons. How to select and deselect icons. Icons means your small pictures on the desktop. Now selecting the icons, to select an icon, simply click on it. What we have to do? Simply click on it. We have to click on the icon. Okay. Which button? Left button. See, like I want to select the computer icon, go to the computer and click. This PC icon, go to this PC and click. So what you have to do? Click on the item to select. To deselect the icon, again click the icon will be deselected. So very quick thing, how to select by clicking, how to deselect by clicking. Okay, same thing will happen, but once you click it will select, again you click it will deselect. Okay. Now selecting your adjacent item. Adjacent मतलब बिल्कुल आजू बाजू के आइकन्स को अगर आपको सिलेक्ट करना है, सो click left on the first item to be selected. Okay, first item को click कर रहे हैं left button से, then press the shift key from keyboard. After selecting first, press the shift key from keyboard. Keyboard से shift key को press करना है. Okay, then after pressing the shift key, what you have to do? Click on the last item to be selected. Okay, so all the items will be selected simultaneously. Now release the shift key, the items will be selected. Now for adjacent items, we have used the key shift. For non-adjacent item, we will use the key control. So non-adjacent item select करने के लिए hold down the control key. Click once on each item to be selected. Okay, this is the press 1 control key, again press second, third, fourth and so on, but press control key from keyboard. Now here, which is the latest version of Windows? Is Windows 10. Now opening a program, how to open program? Click on the icon which you want to select and press the enter key. The application window will open, or double click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Arranging the desktop icons. See how to arrange. Double click to open, single click to select, double click to open. This is your Windows 7 desktop. This is your Windows Vista desktop. This is your Windows XP desktop. Okay, these are the three desktops. Now arranging desktop icons. Okay, you have seen so many icons on the desktop. So how to arrange them? As you arrange your study table to make it tidy, करते हो क्या आप लोग study table को? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Similarly, some are saying no. Similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop for better look. To do so, what we have to do? Right click on the blank area of the desktop. Okay. After right clicking, you will see one menu will open. Okay. And in this menu, you have to see the menu first. You have to click on list of options, select view option. What you have to do? View options. Now on the view option, you have to click on auto arrange icons. Okay. Observe the changes. Now sorting the icons. Sorting means arranging some sorting. Means you are हो सकता है alphabetical हो सकता है size wise हो सकता है date wise. The shortcut menu appears. Again the same procedure. Right click, click on. Instead of this view, we are going to click on sort by, and sort by my name, size, type or date quantity. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Now mouse pointer shapes. There are different mouse pointer shapes you have seen in your computer. Like if the circle is moving round and round, this shows computer is busy. Okay, this shows computer is busy. Second is your normal. This icon is your normal icon. Okay. Then double headed arrow, जिसमें दोनों साइड एरो हो. This will be used to resize window for the picture. Four headed arrow, you can also move the picture. I beam, that we can insert text in a document. Working in a background means the computer is processing while you are working. So these are the icons. Okay, so that's all for today. Your work is to observe the icons. Okay, observe the different mouse pointer shapes in your computer. Arrange the icons. Select adjacent items. Select non-adjacent item by pressing Shift key and Control key. Watch the video again to solve your queries, how to select the icons on the desktop we have seen, and how to open start button from keyboard. Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye for now. Take care. Stay at home. Bye bye.